I just love the mornings to get up and listen to the birds welcoming the sun and the light. Wonderful. I've noticed something in my work that I'm slowing down on getting things done. What used to take me a couple of days is taking me a couple weeks now at 75. But I'm finishing this entryway, which is actually going to be part of the gallery. There's a lot of wall space in there. I have to put the OSB, finish this up top. And I don't like working on heights anymore. But anyway, so you get slower when you get older. But today we're going to have to get back to work putting on some of that siding up in the peak, and then, painting and flooring and a sip of coffee. So maybe this video should be about the art of slowing gracefully, taking your time to get things done. And it'll get done, just a little at a time. There's a challenge, getting those OSB up top by myself. So, more to come. I was watching some YouTube videos about these Japanese and Korean street food vendors yesterday. 80, 90 years old. This old Japanese fellow, all hunched over. It looks hard for him to get around, but it isn't. And he's got so much life in him. And he's got a hot dog stand over in Japan someplace. Apparently, Orientals and Asian people like good hot dogs. But anyway, he's still working, still enjoying meeting people, discussing, feeding people. And, it made me think a lot about retirement, who invented that and for what purpose? It doesn't talk about retirement in the Bible at all, except for, giving a break to the Levites from their duties. But I don't think it's a healthy thing to look for early retirement and just have a life of leisure. And I think it's more important to have a meaningful life, whether it's operating a hot dog stand or working on your house or starting a small business, whatever it is, even when you're 75 years old like me. And it's not so much for the business as much as the responsibility to share your experience, your abilities, your skills with others. It's not meant to hoard them. And that gets back to this gallery that I'm opening. And that I was saying that the construction side of things, out that door, goes into an entryway that's about 8 feet by 28 feet. And that's going to be part of this gallery in here for the photographs. This is my old trusty Sony 6000. This is what started my photography journey. I bought this at Costco for cheap, this little tiny camera. It still works great, 24 megapixels. And it goes to prove that, there's this big rush every year to buy the latest and greatest camera. And I just bought Sony's because they make all the sensors for almost all the cameras that are out. I figured the people that are smart enough to make the sensors and do the rest, it's not a bad buy. But a little tiny camera, beautiful pictures, decent lens, and you can do anything with it. Well, so why retire? You shouldn't. There's no reason for it. Be productive. Give yourself a purpose to get up every morning. Get excited about something. Look forward to something. That's what God would want us to do, right? I mean, that's the whole purpose of the gospel, the good news, the hope we have at the end of this journey, however it goes, rich, poor, sickness, wellness, whatever, that you can look back on it and without a lot of regrets. Everyone has them, but I would feel that I see a lot of people who have retired doing something, needing to do something, volunteer. Or what I see a lot of up here in the hills is that they get into painting or art. Maybe that's just a bug I have too, art. But anyway, I decided to share that art with everybody, and that's the purpose for this project, for this gallery. I'd hoped to have it open Memorial Day weekend. This is it. And as you can see earlier, well, I've got quite a bit left to do, and that's okay. So the message for the day that came on my mind is don't retire. Be productive. Live your life to the fullest, and don't be afraid of work. Retirement, what I've seen of it is oversold. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. Leisure, life of leisure, not worth it. I haven't seen any good that really comes from a life of leisure. So today's wisdom, so I can get back to work out here, is be productive. Keep working at something, whether it's art, which is good for keeping the Alzheimer's away, or hanging ceilings out in an entryway, which keeps the muscles from atrophying and sarcopenia in these old age, or mowing the yard, whatever it is, volunteering at a hospital or a park or whatever. So keep everything exercise, brain, body, and stay close to God and exercise and wellness your spirit. So make yourself healthy again, mind, body, and soul. You all have a good day. Be productive. Thank you for watching. Bye.